versa. So I'm thinking central. I don't know. What do you want to do?
Look at the strong man as he pulls out the barrels.
This is the racking wine. It has it goes into the barrel, it pumps out the wine. It has little holes in the side of the wine so that the sediment doesn't get into the barrel. And it has a little set screw here so you can adjust it.
This is garden food, right? Yeah.
So let's use it next to
Yeah.
Oh, nice and clean.
Yeah.
What else is they have in the barrel?
Every weekend on BGO. Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 4.
Okay, let's get these barrels left
Getting all the sludge out of the bottom of the barrel.
Sludge on there.
That wasn't so bad. Sandy is sanitizing with the steamer. What are you doing, Joe?
Steam in the barrel.
Why?
Fast it and get all the bacteria and all the bad stuff out. Watch what happens. Boogieing.
Boogie boogie.
We're ready, we can fill these up.
What are we doing?
I'm marking this log that we keep a record of everything that we do on the wine during the course of the year. And today's the 13th of July. We racked and we added the little sulfite to it.
Very cool.
Keeping a log is important for winemaking because if the wine comes out really good, then you can duplicate it the next vintage and see if you can get a wine as good as the last vintage. That's why we keep an accurate record of the log. We keep what the yeast strain was, what the Brix level was, what the pH was, how much nutrients we added. We keep a log of how many days we kept the grapes on the skins, when we pressed it, when we racked it, when we egg whited it, when we bottled it, and our tasting notes. That's why we keep the log.
All right, so what's going on now? What's that device going into the barrel?
We're racking the wine. We took out the wine, we put it in the vats. We're gonna put it back in there. We cleaned out the barrel the best we could in order to make sure that there's absolutely no contamination of bacteria in our barrel. We're steaming it. Show them, pick up the. There we go.
Oh, that's nice.
We're steaming the barrel. We're getting everything nice and clean. And then we're going to put the wine back in. We're going to give it another rinse. We're going to spray the top with a grappa. And then we're going to get ready to bottle. Then make it all.
Gina's the wand holder.
That's what we're going to have to do. You have to roll it by your wand. You don't need a wand.
Yes, that one. I don't think they
It'll come quick.
Let's put possibly 100 in the drain, and then we'll be sure.
You see?
Hey, anybody else think that's so fun?
What's going on, Maura? What's happening there?
That's what they say. Always give them something.
Keep them away from you, man. It's bad.
Don't ever try to put them up to
This is top off. We're topping off the wine.
You want to take a look at this? Is that?
And topping off the barrel, there's always evaporation, and when you take that sludge out, now you've got to add more wine to fill that barrel, so there's not much air in it.
As long as you want to make it a party.